Welcome to Sessions Health Tutorials. Hello, fellow therapists. I'm Ian, a practicing psychotherapist, and I use Sessions Health each day in my own private practice. In this tutorial, we're going to look at managing members of your account. To manage your account members, you'll come to Account Settings, and the default tab is the Account tab, and this is where you'll see Members. You'll see a summary of your current members and each role that they have. You can see Careful Listener is an administrator, a practitioner, a supervisor. The tooltip shows who all they supervise. They're also a scheduler and a biller. They're also the account owner. There can only be one account owner. See, intern person is a practitioner and a supervisee, and they're supervised by a Careful Listener. If you need to make any changes to these members' permissions, you can click the three-dot menu and click Edit. And since this person's an administrator, they actually don't need to have the scheduler and biller roles because administrators already have access to all of that. So we're going to undo those roles and press Save. And let's say that our intern, we actually want them to be able to do scheduling. And so that they can have access to the other practitioners' calendars, we're going to give them the scheduler role. And as you can see, they can now schedule for all the clients in the clinic and any practitioners. Since they're only a basic member, they don't have access to the account level settings for things such as billing and the system forms that are used for the account. If we need to invite someone else, we can click the Invite Someone link, and all we have to do is enter an email address, select which roles they should have, and whether they're a basic member or an administrator, and click Send. We can do that now. Make this person a practitioner and an administrator. So this would be a practitioner who we're also giving them permission to manage the Sessions Health account for the clinic. And press Send. After we've done that, we can see, since they haven't accepted the invitation, their email is in italics. So that's how you know whether or not a practitioner or someone that you've invited to the account, whether or not they've accepted it. Once they've accepted it, it will no longer be in italics, and it will show their email and their name listed. If you need to remove someone or resend the invitation, you can click the three-dot menu. So in this case, let's say that the person said that they didn't receive the email. We can say, hey, please check your other inboxes and double check. But if they didn't see it, we can click resend. And now we've done that. If we change our mind and we decide we don't need this person to be a member of our account, we can just click remove. And then they will be removed as a member. This concludes member management tutorial. As usual, if you have any questions, you can reach out to us at support@sessionshealth.com.